Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Very simple today. We're going to do chicken fry. So we're going to do some fried chicken with some beautiful Indian spices. It's absolutely delicious. It doesn't take long. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, we're going to get straight in on this one. I've got 1 kg of chicken here, different parts cut up into bite-sized pieces. We're going to get some marination on this. We're going to start off by dropping in black pepper. We're going to get in some salt. We're then going to go with 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 2 turmeric. We're going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. The same of lemon juice. We're going to go a nice tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. I've got my glove on. We're going to work this in, and you want to put this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. If you could do it overnight, that would be great, but 1 hour minimum, and then we're off to the cooker. This is very simple and very, very delicious. Okay, so I've got my wok here. I've got some oil in there. Again, I'm using a sunflower oil, or like a corn oil, something like that you want. You could use ghee if you want. Some people would use ghee. We're going to drop in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and some fresh curry leaves. We're on quite a high heat at the moment. Just let them do their thing for a few seconds. As always, they're going to really infuse that oil, give it a fantastic flavor. Okay, let's turn the heat down to medium. Let's drop in our marinated chicken. And we're now going to go for about 15 minutes on a medium heat. Don't have the heat too high, because you're just going to burn the spices on the outside. Medium heat, giving it a stir, not continuously, but every now and then. I'll be back then. We're going to add a few more bits in there. We're pretty much done. Told you this was easy. Okay, so that's 15 minutes. Wonderful. What I like to do now is I like to get some sliced onion in there with some fresh chili and just a little bit of chopped tomato, not too much at all. We're now going to turn the heat up to maximum, and we're going to go for 5 more minutes. We're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. Now, if you wanted, you can get some cilantro or coriander in there. For me, no need. Let's get it on the plate. I'm going to put some raw onion rings on the top. So there was a little excess oil, which I didn't want. And there you go. Like I said, just cut some red onion rings on the top there. Absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up, and more importantly, give us a comment. We like to know that you're fine. Keep well, keep safe. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her TURMERIC or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.